flame ignite.
Extra dynamite start from pole position.
The left-hander. And Killy now in front of Momola. And Momola's gone!
Not very Marc Marquez if he did, and just as we say that.
The beast reigns supreme in the Middle East.
He's got the inside line, there's a door open, he barges through.
4 positions there, because he's had Checker gone past him, Barros gone past him. Oh, there goes Checker. We ride with Valentino Rossi. Lorenzo now into turn 13. And Rossi invented something in the final corner.
Bastianini going the wrong way around.
That's Bastianini taking the lead of the race. That was Bastianini on the inside.
Don't let me tell you twice, I'ma let the flame ignite.
Breakaway from Bastianini. Here goes Marc Marquez.
Here he comes, up the inside, brilliantly done. Dobby loves overtaking there.
Outside the top 10 for much of the first half of this Grand Prix. And Aldeguer doing low 22s. Is there still a chance of him getting on terms with Cross?
Pulling back on that last lap, and he's nearly 7 tenths now behind the man who started second.
I think that was more Viñales going forwards than Quartararo going backwards.
Side by side we go, down into reverse corkscrew. Yep, Martin sense that. Oh, Acosta leans on him.
Marc Marquez is loving this though, isn't he? As they're now crawling all over the back of Pecco Bagnaia, who dare not push. Marc Marquez is quite happy to push.
He's all over the line. Jack goes on the inside. The chip is landed out.
Here comes Lorenzo. He almost does take Rossi's leg off. Now, can Rossi react again? Going down towards turn 5. Yes, side by side.
The master of Mandalika, and he seizes back control. Finally, we can say the Flying Frenchman is a MotoGP winner. Instead, he absolutely mugs Rossi on the outside. Rossi looks really close. Dropping down through turn number 11, and Brad Binder, MotoGP's ultimate Sunday man, is starting again, isn't he? He needs some mechanic power.
He's not! Morbidelli wins in Valencia! Miller's second! Further back, Pol Espargaro will take third! Antoine Mir is the world champion of 2020 in MotoGP!